Part C. Lights and Shapes. Rule 20. Application A. Rules. In this part shall be complied with in all weathers. B. The rules concerning lights shall be complied with from sunset to sunrise, and during such times no other lights shall be exhibited, except such lights as cannot be mistaken for the lights specified in these rules, or do not impair their visibility or distinctive character, or interfere with the keeping of a proper lookout. C. The lights prescribed by these rules shall, if carried, also be exhibited from sunrise to sunset in restricted visibility and may be exhibited in all other circumstances when it is deemed necessary. D. The rules concerning shapes shall be complied with by day. E. The lights and shapes specified in these rules shall comply with the provisions of Annex the Fern to these regulations. Rule 21. Definitions. A. Masthead light means a white light placed over the fore and aft center line of the vessel, showing an unbroken light over an arc of the horizon of 225 degrees, and so fixed as to show the light from right ahead to 22.5 degrees abaft the beam on either side. B. Side lights means a green light on the starboard side and a red light on the port side, each showing an unbroken light over an arc of the horizon of 112.5 degrees, and so fixed as to show the light from right ahead to 22.5 degrees, abaft the beam on its respective side. On a vessel of less than 20 meters in length, the side lights may be combined. C. Stern light means a white light placed as nearly as practicable at the stern, showing an unbroken light over an arc of the horizon of 135 degrees, and so fixed as to show the light 67.5 degrees from right aft on each side. D. Towing light means a yellow light having the same characteristics as the stern light. E. All-round light means a light showing an unbroken light over an arc of the horizon of 360 degrees. F. Flashing light means a light flashing at regular intervals at a frequency of 120 flashes or more per minute. Rule 22. Visibility of lights. A. Masthead light. Vessels greater than or equal to 50 meters, 6 miles. Vessels less than 50 meters, 5 miles. Vessels less than 12 meters, 2 miles. B. Side lights. Vessels greater than or equal to 20 meters, 6 miles. Vessels less than 20 meters, 5 miles. Vessels less than 12 meters, 2 miles, 50 meters. 3 miles. Vessels less than 50 meters. 2 miles. Vessels less than 12 meters. 1 mile. Combination light. 1 mile. C. Stern light, towing light. 2 miles. D. All-round lights. 2 miles. E. Special flashing light. 2 miles. Rule 23. Power-driven vessels underway. 1. A. A power-driven vessel underway shall exhibit I. A masthead light forward, groined, a second masthead light abaft and higher than the forward one, optional less than 50 meters. Rod, side lights. IV. A. Stern light. B. Air cushion vessels, non-displacement mode, shall exhibit an all-round flashing yellow light. C. Wig craft shall exhibit a high-intensity, all-round flashing red light when taking off, landing, and in flight near the surface. D. Vessels less than 12 meters may exhibit an all-round white light and side lights. E. Vessels less than 7 meters, less than or equal to 7 knots, may exhibit an all-round white light. Shall exhibit side lights if practicable. F. Seaplanes shall exhibit lights as closely as possible to these rules. Rule 24. Towing and pushing. A. A power-driven vessel when towing shall exhibit I. 2 masthead lights in a vertical line, 3 if tow exceeds 200 meters. D. Side lights. Wow. Stern light. IV. Their towing light above the stern light. V. If tow greater than 200 meters, a diamond shape where best seen. B. Pushing ahead or being pushed in a composite unit. Lights as for a power-driven vessel underway. C. Pushing ahead or towing alongside, not composite. 2 masthead lights in a vertical line, side lights, stern light. D. Vessel being towed. Side lights, stern light, if tow greater than 200 meters, diamond shape. E. Inconspicuous, partly submerged objects. 1 all-round white light at forward end, 1 at aft end. Additional lights for greater than 25 meters width, 2 lights for greater than 100 meters length, diamond shapes corresponding to lights. Rule 25. Sailing vessels underway and vessels under oars. A sailing vessel underway shall exhibit I. Side lights, stern light. B. Vessels less than 20 meters may combine side lights into 1 lantern. C. Sailing vessels may also exhibit at or near top of mast, red over green all-round lights, sailing lights. D. A vessel under oars may exhibit the lights of a sailing vessel or show a white light ready at hand. E. A vessel proceeding under sail and power shall exhibit a cone, apex due. Rule 26. Fishing vessels. A. Vessels engaged in fishing, not trawling. Red over white all-round lights, 2 cones, apexes together. B. Trawling vessels. Green over white all-round lights, if greater than 50 meters, masthead light aft. Shape, 2 cones, apexes together. C. Vessels with gear, extending greater than 150 meters horizontally shall show an all-round white light or cone in direction of gear. D. Vessels not engaged in fishing shall not exhibit these lights or shapes. Rule 27. Vessels not under command or restricted in ability to maneuver. A. Not under command. EONUCI. 2 all-round red lights in a vertical line, 2 balls in a vertical line, when making way, side lights, and stern light. B. Restricted in ability to maneuver. RAM. Red, white, red all-round lights in a vertical line. Ball diamond ball shapes. Additional lights for dredging, underwater operations, etc. C. Vessels engaged in towing operations restricting maneuverability. RAM lights plus towing lights. D. Mine clearance vessels. 3 all-round green lights in a cross, 3 balls in a cross. E. Fishing vessels and pilot vessels have their own rules. Rule 28. Vessels constrained by their draft. A vessel constrained by her draft may exhibit 3 all-round red lights in a vertical line, a cylinder shape. Rule 29. Pilot vessels. A pilot vessel shall exhibit on a land light, wave of red all-round lights, when underway, side lights, and stern light, when anchor lights. B. Day shape, a flag. H. Or no special shape required by COLREGs. Rule 30. Anchored vessels and vessels aground. A. Vessels at anchor shall exhibit 1 all-round white light forward, 1 all-round white light aft, 50 meters. 1 black ball forward, day. B. Vessels aground. Anchor lights, 2 all-round red lights vertically, 3 black balls vertically. C. 7 meters exempt in certain conditions. D. 20 meters in special anchorages. Exempt. Rule 31. Seaplanes. Seaplanes shall exhibit lights and shapes as close as possible to the characteristics of these rules.